T-type strainers. These are custom fabricated item designed to remove the foreign particles from the pipeline. Okay, if you see, this can be mounted in vertical or horizontal piping. So we are getting a complete flexibility here in piping system. T-type strainers are also used as permanent strainers, mostly for 2-inch and above line sizes, available with welded or flanged ends. These are available in both the scenarios. Flow direction, here if you see, the flow direction is horizontal and here it is at 90-degree. So we are getting a very good flexibility based on layout requirement. We can go for any of these configurations. Also in T-type strainer, we are having one drain point on the blinded portion at the lower side, so that we can drain out while operating the line also without taking into the maintenance. We can do it, or before maintenance also we can open the drain and remove the debris from the pipe. Again, we are having two tappings on pipe both side of the strainer, so that we can measure the pressure differential. Okay, this pressure differential indicates how much amount of foreign matter trapped inside the screen. Okay, so this is a very good indication. Based on that we can plan our clean out activities. And in this case, if we are not getting vendor data in the starting of the project, we can always go ahead with T dimensions, which are standard one, along with the wet neck flanges. So we can go ahead with our design, piping system design, based on these dimensions. In oil and gas fundas knowledge sharing platform, we have covered all these topics. Time duration against each topic is mentioned here. Now in 2-minute funda part 1 series, we are going to cover 30 topics. I'm sure you're watching the HD and non-HD format along with the subtitles. So keep on watching, keep sharing knowledge.